Hello everyone, welcome back again to Selfcad channel with Selfcad 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create simple low poly tree with a vertex command. First we can insert a cylinder objects, and next you can set for a top radius into 3. We set for a bottom radius into 37. For height 120, for horizontal segment 6, and the last for vertical segment into 8. You can click OK. The next we can use polygon edit, and next we can use mesh plus wireframe view. We can select this polygon. Okay, we select again in here. The next I will use insert command, and you can click OK. Now we can use rotate command. We can rotate in y-axis into 25. You can close, and next I will use edit vertex. You can use a wireframe, and then we can change into live view. The next we can select at this vertex, and now you can use scale command to scale this vertex more bigger. Okay, we'll move into here, and then you can scale in green axis to the bottom here. Okay, the next we can use polygon command again, and we can select at this polygon objects. Okay, we can use insert command. You can click modify and click insert, apply, and we can use vertex editings. Okay, we select this vertex. The next we can use scale command to scale vertex. Okay, I will move into here, and next you can scale in green axis to the bottom. Okay, we use polygon again, and you can select this polygon. Okay, we select in here. The next we can use insert command, and you can use rotate. We can rotate in y-axis into 25, and now we can use vertex editing. Okay, you can select this vertex. Okay, and then we can use a scale command. You can click here scale. We can scale more bigger this vertex, and we also can scale in green axis to the bottom here. Okay, the next use polygon again, and then we can select this polygon. Okay, after it we can use insert command. The next you can use vertex editings. Okay, don't forget to select this vertex, and now we can use a scale command to scale this vertex more bigger. Okay, we scale into here, and then we scale in green axis to the bottom. The last we can use polygon again, and I will select this face. Okay, we select in here. And now you can click modify and use insert command. In here we can use a rotate command. I will rotate into 25 in y-axis. And now you can use vertex editing to scale at this vertex. Okay, I will select this vertex. The next we can use scale command. Okay, you can click here scale and scale these objects. You can scale in green axis to the bottom. Okay. The last I will select with polygon option at the bottom view, and then you can scale command. You can scale more small to this point. Okay, I think enough. And then I will use move tools to move in a green axis. You can move to the top. Okay. Now we can use extrusion command. You can click extrusion. Okay, I will extrude into here, and in here we can use a scale command. Okay, I will scale more small, a bit small. Okay, and now we can use extrusion. Okay, move to this point, and the next we can scale again. Okay, I will scale more bigger. Okay, this enough. Now this for a low poly tree with a Selfcad, you also can make smooth for these objects. But first I will select this face, and then we can use insert command. You can click OK. You can click modify, and now you can use run objects in here, but I will uncheck for polygon option, and we can use this run objects. Okay, you can set for smoothness into 3. You can click preview, so this for smoothness 3, and you can click OK to apply. Now we already create this simple 3D models tree with a Selfcad software. You also can give color into these objects. Okay, you can select this all face. Okay, you can select a polygon option, or you can select these objects. Okay, and then you can click color. We can change into green color. Okay, the next you can use polygon option. We can select in this polygon. Okay, you can select one by one this polygon objects. Okay, the next we can use brown color. You can click here brown, and you can click OK. So we already apply color into these 3D models. Okay, enough today for Selfcad 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a simple 3 objects. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.